It tastes like a pizza place.
What's up, Fire Squad?
We're here at Walmart because we're making stuffed crust pizza today.
Yes.
The dough is rising at home on top of the fridge, babe.
It sure is, and it's gonna be that homemade good cooking.
Oh yeah, so let's go into Walmart and get the items we need.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Walmart has some, these look like fresh cut pepperonis. Nice, but it's $4.07 for this. Let me see if this is really a deal compared to the dry pack, but I think there should be enough. Looks like 20 slices. Hold that, Kendrick. And they also have this pepperoni right here. I could do my own slices if I want to be real fancy. It has an Italian flag on it, but is it really from Italy? Nope, Ohio. All right, not getting that. We're gonna roll with this. This is a good brand, Prima Della. Comment down below if you've used Prima Della meat before. We're gonna grab some spinach for the pizza. I'm just gonna get the Walmart brand market side. It's only $1.98 for 10 ounces. Thank you, Kendrick. And we also get some mushrooms. Here, this is Monterey. This is $2.08. Thank you, sir. All right, Kendrick really wants watermelon. First he wanted donut, but I was like, you know what? Instead of donuts, let's get watermelon. But it's $4.48. That's not cheap. Gosh. Here you go, sir. A pasta section. We'll find our tomato sauce. This is a popular brand I always hear to get. My question is really quick is, what is sensitive marinara? Oh, I guess no onions or garlic. So that's people with allergies. Well, they don't just have regular marinara. They only have the sensitive one. So I'm gonna have to get this one, but I can add my own garlic and onion. Put this in there. Thank you, sir. Whoa. All right, Kendrick, let's get the cheese and get. I was almost out, and then I realized we need more virgin olive oil, extra virgin. We're definitely gonna get this. This is what we're gonna brush on the crust. Here. Look at his face, he's so excited. It's $5.74. Now we need our mozzarella cheese. Let's see. We'll get this one, low moisture. We also have some cheese from Costco. It's like the big block, but this is a little extra to sprinkle. Here's the cheese. And then for the stuffed crust, none other than Frigo cheese sticks. It's $6.98 for about 1 pound. Quick, I did grab this pizza screen. It says it makes it perfectly brown and crispy, so we're gonna try this out. I'm excited. Let me show you the dough I made this morning. So this is the dough here. It's rising on top of the fridge, and it's been rising now for about 3 hours. And in about another hour and a half, it'll be 6 o'clock. That's when I'm gonna get it out and roll it out. But for now, remember the sauce we got from Walmart. So I right here have some olive oil, a good amount, and my raos. I didn't say it right. There's salt and pepper in here. And remember, this is sensitive marinara, so it doesn't have garlic and onions. So I'm gonna add my own garlic. Go ahead and let it cook in there a little bit, 2 tablespoons. All right, some onion powder, granulated. And I got a good amount of oil in there because I'm gonna have a good amount of olive oil in the sauce anyway. And plus it's less likely to burn when you got more oil like that. So let it cook for about a minute. It's getting brown right now, it's almost there. Now I'm gonna add my raos. I don't even know how to say it right. Anybody Italian, help me out. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it in really good. There we go. Put a little bit of this Italian seasoning I got from Walmart. About a tablespoon. I want this to be strong. Let this go low and slow until it's time to get the dough out. I laid out some flour, a little bit of cornmeal, and then I have my dough here. Now this dough is pretty moist. It's a high water content. It smells really good. Smell that, Cash. It smells so good. But as you can see, it's really wet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work it a little bit. It looks really good. But I'm just pull and fold because I don't want to break it down too much. Now I'm gonna cut off some pieces of this that I'm gonna use. So I was watching an Italian chef. When he lays out his dough, he doesn't like use a rolling pin. But I'm telling you, I got tired of this. I ended up using this rolling pin because I was like, look, I don't have time. And the thing about this rolling pin, the funny story is, we got this from Christmas, right? And it was on clearance at Walmart for like $1. So it's been used ever since last Christmas, and it's coming to good use, as you can see. Right here, I'm trying to get it straightened out, but you seen that hole I was covering up. Camouflage to sabotage.
Our home, we don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not.
Honestly, this was the easiest part of this whole process. Okay, now it's laid out. I have to get it on this like perforated pan, and the cool thing is that if it doesn't come up, you have to use a big spatula, but that's just to loosen it up. It depends on the sturdiness of your dough. So now that I got it on, I made sure I sprayed that pan, by the way, and I'm putting on my raos. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but the sauce was amazing. I had that sauce cooking for about a couple of hours. Now, this cheese that I'm putting on, it's a cheese that I got from Costco. It's a nice soft mozzarella cheese. So I just teared it up, equal it out, no big deal. And then I just topped it with some regular shredded mozzarella cheese. Not too much to it, and of course I always sprinkle with a little bit of salt, and then I have these huge pepperonis that I found at the Walmart depot. Well, let's get this in here. The oven's preheated at 450. This is our stuffed crust pizza. It's looking good. You know what? I'm gonna get some olive oil right here, and what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna brush the outside of the crust. So there's that. And this is how we're gonna do it. We're just gonna brush here. There it goes. And brush this side too. Like that. Just get it there. Just make sure it's brushed really good. Good, but let me turn it a little bit. There we go. Pizza's out. Looks good. Sliding right off of that. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to cut it up, and the kiddos are gonna review it, and let's see how it is. Let's see. Okay. All right. Make a nice cut on there. And there you go. You see the stuffed crust in there? Ooh-wee. Looks good. Looks real good. Let it cool down for like a couple of minutes. This is a special order for Mom. She's got mushrooms, spinach, oh my gosh, pepperoni. That's hers. And this is another one for the kids I made. Now for a taste test of the stuffed crust pizza that we made, our homemade, with our ingredients from Walmart. All right. All right, so who's first?
Me. Eliott.
Eliott, okay. How's it taste, baby?
Try the little sauce.
Little sauce. You gonna try the regular part first?
Hi.
Hi, can it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what?
Hi.
Hi.
Tastes better than Little Caesars.
Look, that's not a compliment, honestly. If it's better than Little Caesars.
Okay, it's like 1,000 times better than Little Caesars thing.
Okay, I'll take that.
Little Caesars is good.
All right, now, so did the stuffed crust come out? So let's see. Oh, cheese pool. Oh, cheese pool. All right, go ahead and try the crust. See, the crust, he's eating the inside. Cash, you try the crust.
Oh my god.
How's it taste, baby?
The sauce is so flavorful and juicy.
I cooked that sauce for almost 2 hours. 2 hours.
I've seen it earlier on the stove.
How's the bread taste?
That you make this homemade?
Yeah, I made the dough from scratch. So how does the dough
It
taste?
tastes like a pizza place.
It tastes like a pizza place?
Make this more often. I want a pizza donut now.
Yeah.
Guys, this is so good. I can't even explain it.
It's really good. Okay, the family agrees. Look, Cash is over there smashing. Shine. Okay, stuffed crust pizza by the Eliott family of 7. Kendrick, your turn. Try the crust. Bite that part. Don't bite my hand. How's the crust taste? You like it? Nice. You said it's juicy. Really? All right, let's see what Mom thinks in a sec. Not a fan of stuffed crust, so she's gonna go ahead and try her version of her pizza. Still probably gonna be good. What's up, babe?
What's up, Fire Squad?
Yes, indeed. We're gonna check this out. You tell me what you think.
Don't mind this. I just got my IV infusion. So what is this mine?
Yeah, that's yours. So first take a regular bite and then try the crust, since it's all homemade. Ooh, cheese pull. Okay. Are you still pulling? Mm-hmm. Okay. She's still pulling. Okay. The flavor.
Very good. The sauce is unique.
The sauce is unique. It is a raos, but I added my own little mix plus a little bit more tomato sauce.
I love that. I taste some garlic in here.
Yeah, there's a good amount of garlic.
Okay.
And then
I
try
love
the
that.
crust. There's a little crunch. Good.
Oh, a little crunch.
Good?
This is very good.
Oh, I thought you were just going to say good. You said very good. Hold on.
The only thing I would do different
Uh-huh.
is no
Olive
Parmesan
oil.
cheese for me.
No Parmesan?
Yeah.
There's no Parmesan.
There's none?
Yeah. That's just all mozzarella. It's
Oh.
low moisture and then shredded and then the, yeah, so.
It tastes like Parmesan somewhere in here. But I guess it's mozzarella. It's good. I like it.
Okay,
You did
bro.
a great job.
Popping up on the screen is another suggested video. I hope y'all enjoyed the stuffed crust pizza. Stay blessed.
Blessed and highly favored.
Peace.
Peace.